See, that's what I'm talking about now. What's happening with them?
Dad, chill. They'll be fine now. We'll be fine now too.
You sure?
Yep. She was controlling them with theta waves.
Theta what?
The neocortex is a part of the brain involved in sensory perception, motor skills, and language. There's all these theories about how theta waves help animals navigate their locations in the wild. And they even affect behavior when we're sleeping. Now, it's not fully understood, but
Please
someone
stop.
had that. Listen, you gotta listen to this.
No, I will pay you to stop.
What are you gonna do with her?
I don't know. We have to give her to the ASA. They're the only ones equipped to handle her.
Doesn't the ASA experiment on metas?
That's her problem.